Hello again, Jody from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I'm going to show you how to make liquid washing powder. This can also be used for dishes and other things like that. So we begin with soap nuts. I don't know if you've seen these before. Pretty cool little invention by Mother Nature herself. So we start off with 6. And we add 2 cups of boiling water. Then we take this to the stove and we simmer it very lightly with the lid on so the water doesn't evaporate for 30 minutes. Okay, so this has been simmering for half an hour on the stovetop and I've allowed it to cool a little bit, and now I'll remove the bulk of the soap nuts, and these can just go in the compost. That's the beauty about this natural stuff. You don't have to worry about poisoning the environment. So I'll take the bulk of it out. To that I will add a teaspoon of fragrance. And you can add whatever scent you want. Whoops, splashing everywhere. Now I'm adding fragrance even though I could do essential oils, because I actually have a ton of fragrance oils. There's a huge list here. Wajing. All available on my website so that you can pick and choose what scents you'd like in your moisturizers, if that thing appeals to you. So the next step is, I've got these really cute little milk bottles here, so I like to put them in here. Now you'll see that this liquid is not viscous. It's not like a thick washing liquid that you normally get. That's because it doesn't have surfactants in it. So even though it's runny, I like to get myself a cup full, tip it over the washing and wash it. And it washes nicely, and because I've added scent, it smells really lovely too. So I pour it in here, try to not spill it everywhere. This is ridiculously tricky. Okay, that's one little bottle done. You see it's gone a nice amber colour. That doesn't show when you wash your clothes. Oops. And so there we can see that 2 cups is just enough to fill these cute little milk bottles. And I sit these next to the washing machine in their little milk bottle carrier, and when I go to wash, pour a cupful, put it in the wash, and Bob's your auntie. Anyway, if you have any questions, please drop me a comment below, and as usual, thank you very much for watching.